whatever you think is harder to bring to life, then they will ask you, who will bring us back to life? Say, the one who created you the first time. They will then shake their heads at you and ask, when will that be? Say, perhaps it is soon. On the day he will call you, you will instantly respond by praising him, thinking you had remained in the world only for a little while. 53. Tell my believing servants to say only what is best. Satan certainly seeks to sow discord among them. Satan is indeed a sworn enemy to humankind. 54. Your Lord knows you best. He may have mercy on you if he wills, or punish you if he wills. We have not sent you, O Prophet, as a keeper over them. 55. Your Lord knows best all those in heavens and the earth, and we have surely favored some prophets above others, and to David we gave the Psalms. 56. Say, O Prophet, invoke those you claim to be divine besides him. They do not have the power to undo harm from you or transfer it to someone else. 57. Even the closest to Allah of those invoked would be seeking a way to their Lord, hoping for his mercy and fearing his punishment. Indeed, your Lord's torment is fearsome. 58. There is not a wicked society that we will not destroy or punish with severe torment before the day of judgment. That is written in the record. 59. Nothing keeps us from sending the demanded signs except that they had already been denied by earlier peoples, and we gave Tamud and Tamud the sea camel as a clear sign, but they wrongfully rejected it. We only sent the signs as a warning. 60. And remember, O Prophet, when we told you, certainly your Lord encompasses the people, and we have made what we brought you to see, as well as the cursed tree mentioned in the Quran, only as a test for people. We keep warning them, but it only increases them greatly in defiance. 61. And remember when we said to the angels, prostrate before Adam. So they all did, but not Iblis, who protested, should I prostrate to the one you have created from mud? 62. Adding, do you see this one you honored above me? If you delay my end until the day of judgment, I will certainly take hold of his descendants, except a few. 63. Allah responded, be gone. Whoever of them follows you, hell will surely be the reward for all of you, an ample reward. 64. And incite whoever you can of them with your voice, mobilize against them all your cavalry and infantry, manipulate them in their wealth and children, and make them promises but Satan promises them nothing but delusion. 65. Allah added, "You will truly have no authority over my faithful servants, and sufficient is your Lord as a guardian." 66. It is your Lord who steers the ships for you thought the sea, so that you may seek his bounty. Surely he is ever merciful to you. 67. When you are touched with hardship at sea, you totally forget all the gods you normally invoke except him. But when he delivers you safely to shore, you must turn away. Humankind is ever ungrateful. Do you feel secure that he will not cause the land to swallow you up or unleash upon you a storm of stones? Then you will find none to protect you. 69. Or do you feel secure that he will not send you back to sea once again and send upon you a violent storm, drowning you for denial? Then you will find none to avenge you against us. 70. Indeed, we have dignified the children of Adam, carried them on land and sea, and granted them good and lawful provisions, and privileged them far above many of our creatures. 71. Beware of the day we will summon every people with their leader. So whoever will be given the record in their right hand and read it happily, and will not be wronged even by the width of the thread of a dead stone. 72. But whoever is blind to the truth in this world will be blind in the hereafter, and even far more astray from the right way. 73. They definitely thought they were about to lure you away from what we have revealed to you, O Prophet, hoping that you would attribute something else to us falsely, and then they would have certainly taken you as a close friend. 74. Had we not made you steadfast, you probably would have inclined to them a little. 75. And then we truly would have made you taste double punishment both in this life and after death, and you would have found no helper against us.